Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to purl the Norwegian purl stitch. So I am a continental knitter, and it was the easiest technique for me as a crocheter first. It felt more natural. Just until recently, I didn't know that continental knitters had problems purling, and someone suggested the Norwegian purl stitch. And I've seen it done several ways, but I'm going to show you one of the ways that you can work this stitch. And I did just learn this not too long ago. I'm always looking for ways to switch it up so that my hands don't get too tired. All right, let's get started. So here I have a sample. So I have a 2x2 rib. I'm going to knit these stitches. Now the way I purl with continental is I just bring the yarn forward, and then when I insert my needle purlwise to pick up this yarn, I sort of use my finger to push down and then pull the strand through. So that is how I purl, inserting, grabbing the yarn. And I don't even realize that I'm using my fingers to guide the yarn. So the issues that people are having is bringing the yarn forward and that awkward movement of purling and having to deal with the strand while you're purling. So with the Norwegian purl stitch, you leave your yarn in the back. And what you want to do is yarn over, or make sure that you're under the working yarn, okay? And then insert your needle as if to purl. And then this is where it gets a little funky. So you want to grab the working yarn and pull it back through this loop here. So you want to bring it over here, grab the yarn, and then bring it back to the front here. And then you want to go back into this same hole or space that you inserted your needle, and then pull it off. Okay, again, yarn over, and then insert as if to purl. Come back and grab this working yarn, and then go back through this hole here. This is where you came up from. And pull off. So the whole time you leave your working yarn in the back. So let me knit these two stitches. Okay, again, you can see it as if you're yarning over, or you're just inserting your needle from behind, like that. And then come around, grab, and then go back through the same space. I like to pull this so that it's a little tight. Okay, again, you want to yarn over or come from behind, insert your needle, come around, and grab the working yarn, and then come back to the front and go down the opposite direction where you came in from. Okay, I'm going to knit these two. So when you go behind, you're inserting your needle through here. When you grab this yarn, you want to go back down that same space right there. So yarn over or go under the working yarn, insert as if to purl, swing your working yarn around and grab your working yarn, come back up to the front, and then go back down this space here. Okay, yarn over, insert as if to purl, swing back behind to grab this yarn, and then up forward, and then back down. This kind of reminds me of a long tail cast on with that movement. So let me show you. So you have to come down, grab this, and pull it through. That's kind of the best way I can explain it as to what it reminds me of, and kind of like how I think about what I'm doing. Okay, so let me just do that quickly to show you what it looks like if you were to just knit. Okay, so that is how you purl using the Norwegian purling method. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.